What is the future of work for humans and AI? The answer is already taking shape, and the biggest shift is not replacement. It is role design, who directs AI, who checks its outputs, and who decides whether the tools actually help work get done. The clearest sign of the shift is that human oversight is getting split into two jobs. The AI work architect decides how AI should fit into the workflow, while the AI steward watches the results and the real-world outcomes. That matters because companies are no longer just asking whether AI can do a task. They are asking who will shape it, monitor it, and keep it aligned with the work itself. The World Economic Forum framing is blunt. The winners will be the organizations that treat discontinuity as momentum. In practice, that means moving quickly to redesign work, rewrite roles, and rethink where value gets created. The risk is obvious. If leaders react to AI by trying to restore the old model, they can slow themselves down while the work around them keeps changing. The research points to a simple formula: technology alone will not win. The strongest organizations will be the ones that combine AI with human expertise, so people can do their work with more support behind them. That is why the future of work is being described as AI supporting people, not replacing them. The goal is not to erase human judgment. It is to extend it. This is where the conflict gets real. Even the best AI tools will struggle if employees do not believe they are making them more effective. That means adoption is not just a technical test, it is a trust test. The most successful workers for the foreseeable future will likely be the ones who combine uniquely human abilities with artificial intelligence, while the rest of the workplace figures out who owns the change. The takeaway is clear: the future of work is not a battle between humans and AI. It is a test of design, trust, and judgment. The companies that move first on roles and the workers who pair human strengths with AI will shape what comes next.